Do this with ice-cold water to rise up on demand. Thousands of men in their 50s, 60s, 70s, and beyond are suddenly restoring their manhood and becoming animals like in their 20s, all by following a simple method before bed. If you want to naturally rise up when you want, then pay close attention, because top Ivy League scientists recently proved limpness issues have nothing to do with stress, fatigue, poor blood circulation, or low testosterone levels. They found that the real root cause is a buildup of sticky cholesterol plaque that clogs the flow of blood through your manhood, which accumulates over time and leads to a humiliating and awkward moment when you can't get it up when she's ready to go. They revealed how you can break down the sticky buildup and trigger immediate hardwood just by following a clinically proven nighttime method. But here's the thing, it's complicated, which is why they created Nitrox Pro, a simple, powerful solution to increase blood flow and restore your confidence with zero hassle. Act fast. Stocks are running low, and once they're gone, they're gone. Tap the link in the description now to get yours before it's too late.